Okay, so just go through the question. Yeah. Sales is how much? This is also type 3. Yeah? I'll tell you how and why. Sales is how much? 1000 units and amount is 1 lakh. Okay. Variable cost is 40,000 and fixed cost is 50,000. Okay. So only this much information is there with you. Okay. So this is actually type 1 where sales, variable cost, fixed cost, units produced, units sold is given to you. But it is merged with type 3. Okay. कैसे? Just see. Calculate क्या बोला है? PV ratio, BEP and MOS. Okay, fine. That we will do. And in absence of information, we will calculate BEP and MOS in units as well as in rupees. Clear everyone? यहाँ तक समझ में आया? This is actually type 1, but see how it is merged with type 3. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Aage what they are saying, evaluate the effect of the following on the above. Okay. Now they have given you 4 conditions. ठीक है. पहला condition क्या बोला है? There should be a 20% increase in physical sales volume. मतलब units sold should increase. Okay. Next condition they have said 15% decrease in physical sales volume. Again, units sold should decrease. Okay. Third condition they have said there should be 5% increase in variable cost. So variable cost will increase. Last condition, decrease in fixed cost by 10%. So fixed cost is gonna decrease. तो आपको ये 4 conditions solve करके ये बताना है कि what will be the PV ratio, BEP and MOS for all these 4 conditions. Clear? समझ में आया? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay. So what did I tell you? What is type 3 sums? Where units produced or units sold or fixed cost or variable cost क्या होता है? They will either increase or decrease. Okay. So this is a speciality of estimated marginal cost sheet. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So start. Question is clear ना? और मैंने क्या बोला है? Whenever you start with marginal cost sheet, you should always start with the statement of marginal. Okay, वो easy पड़ेगा आपको. ठीक है. तो एक चीज सुनो, आपका current year है obviously और ये आपके सारे revised है. These are all revised. Okay, तो current year and with conditions applied in future. Okay, these 4 conditions. ठीक है. So how many columns you will make? 1 column of the current year and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns of the next year. Okay, so it's gonna be a lengthy sum. So use double page. ठीक है. Not that very lengthy, but at least so that it looks neat and tidy when you're writing. So use double page. Okay. Let us see how we do that. This part is also done. Make this, make it like this. Then I'll tell you what to do. Like this. Mhm. I guess the net is an issue today. Correct. Okay, so make this. Make it in this way, okay? Draw it and keep. quantity, sorry, CPU and amount column both should be there because quantities are given to you, so you will be needing the CPU column obviously. Okay, so whatever information is there, we will substitute it in the statement. जो information नहीं है तो definitely वो हमें calculate करना है. Simple as that. Okay, start. First, fill up the current year. Okay, always. Once the current year is complete, then one by one complete the first condition, second condition, third and the fourth one. Revised 1, revised 2, revised 3. ठीक है? Yeah. So sales दिया है, हाँ दिया. Units produced, sold दिया है. तो लिखो. Units produced and sold is how much? 1000. So write it down. Okay. Amount दिया है, हाँ दिया है 1 lakh. Variable cost दिया है 40,000. So my contribution is 1 lakh minus 40, 60. And fixed cost is given 50. So my profit is 10. Okay. यहाँ तक समझ में आया everyone? Till here is it clear to everyone? 10,000 1 lakh का sales, 40,000 का variable cost. So contribution is 60, 1 lakh minus 40, fixed cost is 50, 60 minus 50 is 10,000 is my profit. ठीक है? Now how will you get the CPU column? Obviously by dividing. Right? Yeah. So 1 lakh divided by 1,000, 100 rupees. ठीक है? 40,000 divided by 1,000, 40 rupees. Right? 100 minus 40 is 60. और आप क्रॉस चेक भी कर सकते हो. 60,000 आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन है, डिवाइड बाय 1000, 60. ठीक है? क्लियर टिल हियर एवरीवन? समझ में आया? Okay, so once your current year is completed, now come to the first condition. First condition पे में क्या बोला है? That units produced and sold, what? It should be increasing by 20%. Okay, actually units sold should increase बोला है, but we assume that in marginal cost sheet units produced is equal to units sold because it's a short run concept. So in short run we assume whatever we are manufacturing we will completely sell it off. We will not keep any scope of unsold stock or closing stock. ठीक है? तो 20% increase in physical sales volume. Physical sales volume कितना था? 1000. Okay, so 1000 plus 20% increase. So calci पे लो 1000 plus 20 press the percentage sign equal to sign. So my answer is 1200. Okay. Similarly for the second condition. ठीक है? Current year में कितना है आपका unit sold 1000. 15% reduce कर दो तो minus करेंगे. तो 1000 minus 15 press the percentage sign equal to sign. So my answer is 850. Clear everyone? Okay. अभी सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, लिखो इधर. Yeah. So my units produced and units sold is 1000 plus 20%. That makes it to 1200. Okay, I can directly write. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll directly write it 1200. ठीक है? और second में what it is? Units produced and units sold 850. Fine. Now try and understand whatever is changing will change, rest other things will remain constant. Okay, yeah. So change करने को क्या बोला है आपको? आपको सिर्फ सेलिंग क्वांटिटी चेंज करने को बोला है. ओके, बाकी सब सेम रहेगा. सेल्स वेरिएबल कॉस्ट सेम रहे, मतलब सेल्स इज वेरिएबल इन नेचर, तो सीपीयू विल बी सेम. वेरिएबल कॉस्ट में 40 रुपीज, this will be same, and fixed cost में 50,000 will be same. So these things will not change. Rest only the unit sold part will change because of the question. Rest as assumption is other things remaining constant. Okay. Now calculate the amount column. 1200 multiplied with 100. 1200 multiplied with 100. Answer is 1,20,000. Write it down here. 1,20,000. Then 1200 multiplied with 40. My answer is 48,000. So write here 48,000. 100 minus 40 is 60. Right here. So 60 into 1200. Just a minute. 60 into 1200. 72,000. You can cross check your answer. 1,20,000 minus 48 is 72. Okay. So 72 minus 50 is how much? 22,000. Okay. So this completes my revised condition 1. Okay. Now come to revised condition 2. ठीक है, इधर भी वही assumption होगा, same assumption. Sales will be same, variable cost will be same, fixed cost will be same. तो क्या change होगा? Only units sold because of the question. So this is same. Anything that depends on output उसका CPU same रहता है, and anything that does not depend on output उसका amount column same रहता है. Okay, yeah. Solve now. 850 into 100, 85,000. Next, 850 into 40, 34,000. Next, 100 minus 40 is 60. Cross check. 60 into 850, 51,000. Okay, cross check करो. 85 minus 34 is also 51,000. Okay, here my profit is 1,000. Is it clear till here? यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया? Everyone understood? Okay. चलो great. Yeah. Next condition क्या बोला है? 5% increase in variable cost. ठीक है, तो current year में मेरा variable cost कितना था? How much was my variable cost in the current year? Obviously, whatever changes you will do, increase, decrease, will be on the basis of current year. So it was 40 rupees. ठीक है, 5% increase कर दो. ठीक है, so yeah, 40 rupees को 5% बढ़ा दो. So solve 40 plus 5, press the percentage sign equal to. My answer is 42. So write here 42. ठीक है, यहाँ लिख लो 42. कैसे मिला? 40 plus 5%. ठीक है, फिर क्या assumption करना है? Rest other things will remain same. So units produced sold in the current year was 1,000, so it will remain same. Sales was 100, it will remain same. Fixed cost was 50,000, it will remain same. Okay. Other things remaining the same. So 100 into 1,000 is 1 lakh. 42 into 1,000 is 42,000. Okay, 100 minus 42 is 58. 58 into 1000 is 58,000. 58 minus 5 is 8,000. Okay, so this completes my third condition. And now coming to the last one. Fixed cost will decrease by बोला है 10%. Fixed cost कितना था current year में 50,000. तो 50,000 का 10% डिक्रीज कर दो. ओके, तो 50,000 my just a minute, yeah, 50,000 minus 10 press the percentage sign equal to, so my answer is 45,000. So my fixed cost is now 45,000. So write it in the last column. Fixed cost is 45,000. How did you get this? 50,000 minus 10%. Okay. Then rest other things will remain same. ये 1000 था, ये 100 था, ये 40 था. ठीक है. Right here. This I'm assuming to be same. This I'm assuming to be same. And ये तो change हो गया. Okay. अभी solve करो. 1000 into 100 is 1 lakh. And this is 40,000. This is 60,000. This is 60. Okay. I hope I'm clear till here to everyone. सबके समझ में आया? Okay. Acknowledge it in the chat box. Till here, is it clear to everyone? Okay. So yeah, thank you dear. So this part was very important obviously. अभी इसके बाद आपको क्या करना है? For every column you have to calculate PV ratio, you have to calculate BEP, you have to calculate MOS. That's it. Okay. To start with, पहले हम PV ratio निकालेंगे. Okay. So continue with it. Yeah, like this. First we will calculate PV ratio. Okay. Yeah. So write down the formula. Continue in the same columns and statement. Yeah. 60 minus 45 is how much? 15,000. Please write this. Okay. PV ratio is contribution upon sales into 100. So you can use any column. If you want, you can take the amount column in the numerator and the denominator. I prefer the CPU column in the numerator and denominator because that is easy. Okay. So PV ratio of the current year is 60 upon 100 into 100. Correct. So that makes it to 60%. Second and first and second condition may also the answer is same. 60 upon 100 into 100. Okay, so they give you 4 conditions and they expect you to calculate PV ratio, BEP and MOS for all the 4. Okay. Then third में या एक मिनट है 100 minus 42 is 58. Yeah. So you are right, 58 upon 100 into 100. So it is 58%. Okay, last one is also same, 60 upon 100 into 100. Okay, so PV ratio is done. Next come to BEP. BEP in units. So fixed cost upon contribution per unit. So fixed cost is 50. Throughout, except the last column. Last column of fixed cost is 45. ठीक है, so 50 upon 60, 50,000 upon 60, 50,000 upon 60. Only the last part it will be, yeah, 58. So 50,000 divided by 58. So 862.0689. 862.0689. If you want, you can round off or you can take it up to 4 decimals for accuracy. ठीक है, 50,000 divided by 60. Then BEP in rupees. So it is fixed cost upon PV. Fixed cost upon PV. Okay. Fixed cost is 50,000. 50,000 divided by 60. Press the percentage sign, then equal to 83,333.3333. If you want, you can round off or keep it up to 4 decimals as you wish. 860. 50,000 divided by 58. Press the percentage sign. 86,206.8. You can round off to 207 or you can take it up to 4 decimals. So 86,206. Now you can round it off as 86,207. Even this is correct as students. Then 45,000 divided by 60. Press the percentage sign. My answer is 75,000. Okay. You can cross check by using the other formula. Next, MOS in rupees. In units, sorry, first. Profit upon contribution. Okay. Profit upon PV ratio. I mean profit upon contribution per unit. Okay. Profit is numerator is changing, right? Obviously because profit is changing. This is 8,000. I mean. So 8,000 minus, sorry, divide by 58. 137.9310. 137.9310. Okay. Okay. Okay, then MOS in rupees, profit upon PV ratio. Is this clear to everyone? Decimals को आप round off कर सकते हो. I'm again and again saying the same thing. Okay. Obviously for cross checking the answer. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? समझ में आ रहा है? Sum is clear to everyone? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, great. Okay. बस ऐसे conditions याद रखते रहना. क्या क्या variations है you should know. Okay. So this completes our question. ठीक है, आपको चाहिए तो मैं कोई स्टेप्स दिखा देती हूँ. जैसे बीईपी का है, यूनिट्स कितना है 83 833 point, go like this 3333 up to the digits of your calci, more than 4 digits multiplied with 100. That is the selling price of current year. So my answer is 83,333. See, it has to tally. Okay. हाँ, फिर एक ये वाला भी देख लो, थर्ड वाला 862.06.0689. Okay, multiplied with your what, 100 rupees selling price. See, 86,206.8, you can make it 207. So that is what I mean. You should go up to 4 decimals. So that agar you are using the other formula to cross check your answer, you are able to do that. ठीक है, वरना क्या होगा, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आएगा. See, I'll show it to you. 862.0 को आप 862 कर लो multiplied with 100. देखो 86,200, 7 रुपए का डिफरेंस आता है. ओके, तो ये डिफरेंस नहीं आना चाहिए. ओके, वो हमें अवॉइड करना है. समझ में आया? Is this clear why we are going up to more than 4 decimals or up to 4 decimals for accuracy in the answer? Clear? So that when you cross check with the other formulas, it tallies.